Yo, I'm going to be unboxing this Suncruzer 10 stand-up paddleboard. Let's look at the specs and what it comes with. Hand pump, repair kit, travel bag, paddle, leash, dry pack. Nice. Weight capacity 286 pounds. I think we're okay there. Board weight was that 16.9 pounds. Tie downs, deck pad, handle, safety line, fin, 10 feet long, 32 inches wide. Let's go. This is a $400 stand-up paddleboard. Paddle. Pump. It smells like chemicals. Paddleboard. Carry bag. Fin. Repair kit. Dry pack. Leash. That is it. Fin. Assembly instructions. It's like a valve of some sort. Step 3, screw the pump hose onto the inflation port. Put this on first, because, and then put this on. All right, well, I'll RTFM just to make sure I'm doing it right. Pump the board with steady strokes until pressure gauge reads 12 to 15 psi. Zero psi. That didn't work. Zero PSI. Zero PSI. And 0 PSI still. Ooh, I'm up to 0 PSI. Have not moved the needle yet. 0 PSI. Oh! 1 PSI. Well, it's up. Wow, it's really hard. It's inflated enough to show you. So that's all I'm going to do. In this. Step 3, slide the fin into the notched section. Oh, here it is. This is the anti-deformation gasket. It was in there. There we go. Step 4 of the fin. Lock the fin by inserting the clip into the hole. Well, hope it goes in the right way. It's in. This is the this is the clip. Once you put the fin in, you slide this clip in this orientation, and it locks in. Morning, how you doing? Thank you. Off my lid.